Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the News at 9 with me, your host, Ian WT. As science has shown, we are comprised of cells that grow and die as we age, but what if these cells were immortal? Now, immortal cells won't make you live forever, but they've revolutionized the medical field, completely changing our approach to human research. These cells are called HeLa cells and originated from a woman in 1951 named Henrietta Lacks, who had an extremely unique tumor from her cervical cancer. What makes these cells so special is that unlike normal cells, they don't undergo apoptosis, which is when a cell dies after approximately 50 replications, meaning her cells could live indefinitely outside of her body and still replicate. Because of this, her cells were able to be rigorously tested to see how human cells react to different pathogens, which led to revolutionary vaccines for diseases like HPV and penicillin, amongst others. Now, with this scientific discovery comes a heavy ethical burden. These cells were originally taken from Miss Lax without her knowledge at a checkup for her cervical cancer. On top of that, her family wasn't told of how revolutionary her cells were until 20 years after her cells were harvested. To put yourself in her family's shoes, how would you feel if a late mom, sister, or daughter was the foundation of an international enterprise without your knowledge? Regardless of how ethical the doctor who harvested her cells were, her cells have completely changed our perspective on human testing for the better. Hopefully, in the future, we can continue to make similar breakthroughs in science that benefit us all in the way that HeLa cells have. Now for the weather. Al?